So you won't see us, guys, but you'll be able to hear Jane as she navigates through. You just won't be able to see her. And
Can you see
Simon,
my video now?
uh, Simon, you want to add it and make her
I got you
make
right
it
here. Yep.
make
And
it
this
the
is real.
biggie.
This is not edited footage, guys. This is gonna be in real time. We didn't edit a damn thing.
Yeah,
Okay.
raw video. Okay, I will start now. Is that okay?
Perfect. Yep.
Yeah.
So pay attention to the
Yeah.
language she's using.
Build an app
I'm
that
just
allows
telling chat
users
and
to
build.
swap.
I'm really like just telling a friend what I would like to have. And of course, I also say that please make sure this apps is touching integration ready for the touching integrations. Yeah, that's simple. Yeah, ready for touching integrations. And that's when I hit enter. It is so smart right now that I don't even need to use the prompt enhancer. I haven't used that button for a long time. Yeah.
So
And you can
immediately,
see that now it's running. Start to write the code for you.
Mhm.
Is there a knack to asking the questions of what you want it to do, or you just keep
No.
asking it questions or
so
telling it
it'll
what
make
to do? I guess
Keep
not asking.
keep
it'll.
telling it.
Sorry, Jane. Go ahead.
No, Danny, you go ahead.
Well, it'll make a version, right? It's just simple language, simple English. I want this, right? I just want this. I want it to do this, and then it's going to attempt to make it, right? And then you're going to review it. It's gonna make its thing. We're gonna see it here. This is gonna take about like 4 minutes, you guys. Like I said, we want to make sure this is unedited footage. We want you to see it in real time. No flowery editing, nothing like that. Just real time what it does so you guys can see it, okay? And then when it makes its version, then you can go back to that chat box to the lower left there and you can say, hey, this isn't right. Can please fix this? Or that's great. Can we add this? Or let's change that or whatever, okay? And so as you see right now, the code is being made in real time before your eyes, and it's actively figuring it out, right? And there's going to be a product that pops out here. Again, this is unedited, so it's going to take a little bit, but okay, now we got to the point where your app, the code is right, so it's queuing everything, it's going to prepare everything, you guys can read, and then it's going to make it in real time. So she has to
and
click
sometimes
click that.
Yeah.
The build my app preview, once it gets that done, you have to click that, and then it starts that list right there. So queued, preparing, installing dependencies, building, deploying, then ready. And then it'll come up.
Ideally, it should be automatically run it, but sometimes it didn't. So I just click the build my app preview button. Yeah. So now it's like we are into like almost like 3 minutes in. And now you can see that, hey, the preview is blank. And what I've done is I tried to reload it and it's still not showing up. And you can see that later on, I'm telling chat and build, hey, I'm seeing this blank. Fix it for me. Yeah, you please watching it. And this is really, yeah, it's very
That's
authentic
good.
here. No editing. Yeah.
No, I love that you left that in there because somebody that doesn't know, they're thinking, oh, did I do something wrong? Or is it my computer? Is my computer lagging or whatever? You're actually showing people that they can pop in and say, hey, man, what's up? Where's my thing? I can't see
Right.
it. And then,
Right.
boom, it's running it
Right.
again for you.
Yeah, it's still not showing up. And then that's where you can see that later I'm telling it, I can't see anything. Please fix it for me.
Which, guys,
Yeah.
it's so funny because think back when we were all on dial up. I mean, I'm old enough to remember dial up and how long it took for websites to even load. And here she's building something in minutes, and we're impatient to say, why isn't it loading? Is it gonna? What about now? What about now? What about now? But look at that, man! It's incredible.
Right. And I've actually never had that error before, right? And so if you have any error you encounter, you literally can tell the AI, hey, this is not happening. Please fix it. Or like when I gave my video game example where you couldn't see the XRP Pac-Man at the bottom of the game, I took a screenshot of the bottom of the game and said, hey, I can't see what's down here. I can't play the game. please fix it. And it's like, oh, I see, you can't see it. Let me change it. And it changes it in real time. Isn't that incredible?
It is incredible.
Yeah. And now it shows a black screen, still not showing anything. So again, I'm telling, hey, I'm still not seeing anything on the preview. Fix it. Yeah, see what happened next. We are at this moment, we are like about 5 minutes in this video. Yeah, in this build.
Which is,
Yep.
I mean, that's such a short amount of time.
Yes, yes. Imagine that for a previous, I mean, in a very traditional conventional way, while people really write the code from scratch, it will take them how long to really figure it out what's wrong and check the line by line, everything, right? It is sure that I'm so sure that in that way you can't fix a problem within minutes.
Right. Yeah, I think it's very important to leave the troubleshooting steps. And again, like we said, this technology is really young, guys. It's going to get better.
Yeah,
it's going to get better and better. So you know, this is key for you to see. Like, all right, you have a problem. Don't freak out. Just use simple language and say, hey, tell the AI it didn't work. Do it again, and it'll try it again.
I think this time, if I remember correctly, it will be showing up soon.
I think it gets it this time.
Yes.
But again, this has only been a few moments
that
we've been waiting. And like Rob Nichols says, it would take months to do this on your own manually. He's blown away. Scotty J says a whole new world, guys. And it's an amazing show, huh?
You guys are bringing the alpha. There it is. There it is. Made in about 5 minutes, even with all the errors.
Now you can publish it and you have this link live. And then, like I mentioned, you can push it to your GitHub, right? Give it a name. I call it SRP Swap version 3. Yeah. You just give it a name, you get it saved, and then you will own all the code on your GitHub repo.
There you go.
Wild, huh?
Isn't that incredible? And, you know, I know I'm the one here, like, educating and trying to talk about it, but me watching this, even though I've done this before, like, it just blows me away. Like, I feel it in my chest, like the power of this technology. It is truly a huge 0 to 1. This is the kind of stuff that changes the world forever. It empowers every individual, even if you have no technical skills, to make amazing products. This is incredible, you guys.
And now I continue to play the second video where it will demonstrate you how we change the style of these apps that now you see the color so dark and everything so boring, right? Like what Danny mentioned, if you don't like anything, you can do the screenshot and all. This video also will show you that it's also like less than 8 minutes. It will show you some styling. Yeah, as you can see, I say that, wow, this is so boring, this color, right? It's not attractive enough. I'm telling Chat and Build, the color is not attractive. Help me to put something more playful, more, get people to have the feeling that want to come back to use my apps. Yeah. It's still all plain, normal language, like you're telling a friend.
Yeah, you're just typing it in there. And you can see, guys, if you're looking what she's typing, it's not technical language.
No, not at all.
It's easy peasy. Like it really opens a whole new world for those. I mean, this is a crypto related thing that she's building, a site that she's building. But guys, for those of you that have your own business and other different kinds of apps that you would like to build, man, play around with it. It's incredible. Absolutely. Rob says it's crazy amazing. Yeah, it is, isn't it, Rob? Like, it really is super cool.
A lot of people are worried about AI, what it means for the future. It's something that's very difficult to anticipate the consequences of this technology. But the best thing we can do is give it to every man, woman, and child. Give it to them in a format that's not expensive, so that it's a force multiplier for them, right? I think everyone just needs to have access to this technology, and the market will sort itself out. That's, I think, one of the greatest things. Like when I come and talk about ThorChain or any technology, Multisig, Chat and Build, NFA, I'm interested in moving the needle forward for humanity, just like Jane is, just like you guys are, right? Connecting XRP to ThorChain, we're trying to move the needle and make things happen and give everyone watching this the ability just to keep up, right? Like emancipators, like this is so powerful.
Yep.
And you're seeing it in real time. So,
Yes.
I mean, what else can you say? It's humbling to watch something like this. It really is. Just how far and how fast this. I mean, it's like exponential increase of innovation happening right now. Truly astonishing.
Rob says you won't lose your job to AI. You'll lose your job to the person using AI.
Right. Be the person using AI.
Yes.
Look at that, guys.
See, yep. How incredible. It's a playful tune, right? And now that I'm telling that, hey, I don't like this statement, I don't like this wording, help me to change to something else. So I copied it. I say, I would like to change this wording of this to this. And let's see. It will just, again, make it happen within minutes. So this is really the process on how you keep refining the apps that you would like to build until the version that you satisfy and you publish it. And if you think that it is already ready to be put in on the very serious business website, buy your own domain, custom domain, and get it connected. Yeah. Everything is being done without any technical knowledge, any technical language that you type on the chat.
I cannot emphasize how early you guys are. You guys are some of the first people to see this technology live. Okay. I hopped into XRP spaces. You guys were so friendly to our ThorChain integration. I can't thank you enough. And it just feels right to you guys to be some of the first people to see this. I love the XRP community, and I hope you guys, or whatever business you're in, whatever you do professionally, or whatever you think you can build, I really hope this technology just helps you guys because it's truly legendary. It's legendary. Like I said, I'm limited by my stupid brain of things I can build. I want you guys to think creatively of what you can make or what you can design that already helps you in your life right now. Or maybe you have an interface, or maybe you have something. Look at that. It changed it right there. Boom. And you can do that. You can modify anything.
A little kid could use this.
Yes.
And then you see that the cross-chain and magic, the magic is not really displayed properly. So I make a screenshot. I told Chat and Build, hey, the wording is not displayed properly. Fix it. And you see how it works. It is really just simple as that. Yeah.
It's just the tweaking.
Yes.
Just like any of us that have built a website. We whether you use a template or not, because there is a lot of the templates that you can use now, you still want to tweak it, right? You're still working and building, even though you're using a template. This is creating your own and tweaking it as you go, as you build it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this is the very same thing. This is what we did when we were chatting with you, Melissa. This is what we were doing. We were saying, "Oh, that's cool." We were sharing our screen with each other. Oh, that's hilarious. I was doing this stuff. This is her doing it, and she's, "Oh, let's do this. So let's do that." I mean, we're making incredible things like Lady K's cereal thing in minutes, and it's just a joke. Like it's just and you know what? There's risks to this technology, right? Like I can imagine scammers maybe using this technology to make web pages that are sophisticatedly, looking and professional, and it just comes with the nature of the territory, right? I mean, this is a whole new world, guys. But the best thing is, I want good people to be exposed to this technology first. And I think everyone watching this show who listen to it live or watch it in the recording, you're the good people who should have your hands on this technology.
Yeah.
Well, appreciate that. And there's 178 people that are getting the first look at Chat and Build. So congratulations to those that are watching the Dip and Toe show right now.
Mm-hmm. And you see, I also instructed to say, hey, I would like to name this as XRP Swap, your magic swaps, and it will change the name for me, right? So you can really just tell it in a simple language what you would like to see, what you would like your apps to be look like. It will change everything for you according to what you want.
Again, guys, this technology is young. It's young. It's like Tesla, right?
Yeah.
like a Tesla vehicle, they update their software so the automatic driving is correct, the autonomous driving. That's what Chat and Build's going to do. They're just going to make it better and better and better and better.
And yeah, and as Danny mentioned, keep mentioning this is a young technology is really true. And as I mentioned earlier on when I intro myself, the first time I really see the Chat and Build thing from Crystal, it was early March. And now we are just stepping into August. It's just about 5 months.
Wow.
Yeah, he's really just a 5-month-old baby here. Yeah.
Yeah, and I mean, here's my thing with Crystal Buchanan. She is a force to be reckoned with. This will be successful, people. Research her background, check her out. This young woman is, for us ladies that are in this space, she's someone to emulate. She sees what she wants. She goes after it. She's very intelligent and driven. And this Chat and Build will be successful.